Hi guys, in today's video, I'll show you how to set up Razorpay with ProfilePress. And right now we are in our WordPress dashboard. So we'll hover over ProfilePress on the left and we'll click on add-ons. And from here, we need to find Razorpay and activate it. So we are going to toggle this switch. Okay. And then we'll go to settings on the left hand side. Then we'll go to the payments tab. Now we need to change our currency to Indian rupee. So I'll use this drop down menu. And I'll just find the Indian rupee. It's right here. And we are going to keep the other settings as default and we'll click on Save Changes. And once that's saved, we are going to go back to Payment Methods. And there we have the Razorpay option. Now we're going to click on Configure. And first we need to turn this option on, check to enable. If you want, you can change your title and description. But now we need to go ahead and get our API and webhook information. So I'll go to this tab where I have this Razorpay dashboard open. You can see the link right here. And we are currently in test mode. But if you want to process live payments, use this menu to select live. Now I'm going to go ahead and click on settings. And from here, I'll click on API keys. And we need to generate a new set of keys. So we are going to click on this button, then click deactivate all keys immediately and confirm and deactivate. Now let's copy the key ID and we'll go back and paste it in this field in our Razorpay settings. Now we need one more and that's the secret key. So we'll go back and copy this one. Let's go back and paste it in this field. Okay, and now we need to go ahead and set up our webhook. So let's go ahead and highlight and copy this URL. And we are going to go back to Razorpay and we'll close this. Let's click on the webhooks tab. And we are going to click on add new webhook over on the right. And we'll paste it in this first field up here, webhook URL. And now we need to add a secret and this could be anything. So I'm just typing some random characters. And I'm going to click on show secret. So you see it's just some random characters. And we are going to copy this and we'll go back to our Razorpay settings inside of ProfilePress and we'll paste it in the secret field. Let's go back to Razorpay. And right now we need to configure active events. I'm only going to configure the ones we need. So I'll start with order paid. And next I'm going to find invoice paid. And the next one is going to be subscription authenticated. So I'll type in subscription. It's the first one. So yes, subscription authenticated. Then subscription canceled. Now we'll go to refund. So I'm going to search for refund. So that's refund processed. Okay, and that was the last one, so I'm going to click on Create Webhook. Okay, so once it's done, we'll go back to ProfilePress to continue our setup. Let's configure our pop-up theme color. We'll use this color picker to select green as our example. You can also add an image URL to the Razorpay pop-up right here, and you can choose whether or not to remove the billing address from checkout. I'm going to click on Save Changes. Alright, so now we can go ahead and test this out. I'll just open up the website in a new incognito window. And I've already set up a subscription for the basic plan, so I'm just going to scroll down to click on it. And on the next page, I'm going to enter some information off screen. Once I'm done, I'm going to click on subscribe at the bottom. Now, after a few seconds, we should see a test mode indicator. It's right here. And here's our Razorpay pop-up. So enter your number and email address, click on proceed, then select UPI or card and make your payment. Alright, so I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you next time.